morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are joining this class. This is PrinceMathsclinic, and we have a very interesting question today. And that question is to find the quadratic equations whose roots are 1 plus root 13 and 1 minus root 13. Remember, in the previous class we had in quadratic equation, I showed you a very simple formula to deriving what? Quadratic equation. And I said to derive quadratic equation, you can use this formula, x squared minus the sum of roots times x plus the product of roots equal to 0. Now, the roots that we have here are 1 plus root 13 and 1 minus root 13. So can we look for the sum? Yes. So what's the sum of the roots? Sum of roots will now be 1 plus root 13. Then we have what? Minus plus 1 minus root 13. Now, what do we have? 1 plus 1 is 2. Root 13 minus 13 is 0. So let's find the products. Product of roots means 1 plus root 13 multiplied by 1 minus root 13. Now, you don't need to waste your time. When you find any equation like this that are the same, but they are just having negative sign or opposite signs separating them, you know it's difference of two square. For instance, if you have something x minus y, right, and x plus y, as long as it's xy but the signs are just opposite, you know that your result will be x squared minus y squared. So using that same principle here, you know that this will be 1 square minus root of 13 square. And we know that when you have 1 square will become 1 minus root 13 square will become the square, we cancel the square root. So this becomes minus 13, ordinary 13. So this becomes negative 12. So in addressing that, I know that the result of this becomes minus what? 12. From what we just did over there. So now, plugging it into this equation, you will have what? X squared minus the sum of the root is what? 2. Then x. Then the product is what? Negative 12 equals to 0. So this is the what? Quadratic equation that we are asked to find. So please, I would implore you, kindly subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification icon so that you can see other videos as they drop on the channel, and share it with your friends and colleagues so that we can spread simplified maths all around. Thank you.